Hi everyone. For my tech tool blog, I have chosen the tool Trello. So Trello is a project management tool. This tool is typically used by teams that operate in an agile framework, but this tool can also be used for anything, a variety of different things other than software development as well. So for my demonstration, I decided to show something a little more simpler than developing applications, and I have created a board here used to show the tasks needed to wash laundry. So if you see the board that I have here, I've titled my board Laundry Board. I've named my team as well. I named my team Laundry Team, and I've also, as you can kind of see here, here's my avatar as well. It's Deshaun Jackson from the Eagles scoring on the Dallas Cowboys because that is a good logo. All right, so as you see here, I have a variety of tasks in a variety of different buckets. So here I have a bucket for to do, which is full of tasks that are not done yet. I have a bucket for doing, and I have a bucket for done. So the tool is very simple to use. It operates via drag and drop. So I've already moved a few of the tasks to different buckets already. As you see, I have put clothes in the washing machine, marked this done, and I also have put clothes in the dryer in the doing bucket. So as you see, I will move the task, remove the clothes from the dryer with a simple click and drag and drop to the doing. Also, since I've done that, that means that putting the clothes in the dryer task is complete. And now again, remove the clothes from the dryer task is in doing. So again, I can also drag and drop that task and put that in done as well. It's very easy to add new cards. You can simply add a new card here, and you can put anything. So for this one, I will put wash the towels. So now I have a new card for washing the towels. So with the free version, you only get one application add-on. So I have added the Screenful, which shows the reporting for how it works. So if I click View Dashboard, which is what I've added, and you can see the different reports that are available here. So the tool shows the team status, the status of task as well, the sprint burn down chart, open task, and complete a task as well, and how long it took to complete this task. So I would recommend this tool. The free version is very limited. It seems like I would definitely need at least the next version up, which I believe is $9.99 a month, to have more add-ons that can be used. That way I can have more add-ons here other than just showing the burn down charts for the team's work. There's also many different add-ins here. They call them power-ups, which I'll show, even though I can't use them. But if I go to view all, they have many different things such as agile cards, Bitbucket add-ins. You can sync up with your calendar as well. Many various things that you can do here to help with your team getting work done. You can also add in with Google Drive and Google Hangouts, which is a cool feature as well. So I would definitely recommend this product for use. It's great definitely for tracking your work, especially with working with projects, so you know what tasks are getting done. Is very transparent. And again, the free version isn't too great, but I would definitely recommend the paid version to others for anyone who's looking for a tool to track items. Thank you.